Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Usman Baig and I am an alumni of Biomedical Engineering department batch 2016. I am currently working as a research engineer at Iteologists and dealing in the various biomedical applications and with respect to the R&D developments and protocols. Right now, I'm working on the various projects related to the R&D developments, which prospects with new changeovers in the industry of biomedical engineering. My life as a university of engineering technology was full of opportunities. I've organized multiple events, educational or academic workshops, extracurricular events which helps me in my personal growing. I'm also thankful to all of my dedicated teachers who transform me with their knowledge and give me a head start in the job. The world has now realized the importance of biomedical engineers and appreciate how these unsung heroes save lives with their expertise in the pandemic crisis. I'm proud to be a part of this biomedical company by completing my degree from SSUET. SSUET is #1 in India biomedical engineering program and a pioneer of the biomedical engineering program in Pakistan.